Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check out eBooks. First thing you need to do is open an internet browser and search for Neuse Regional Library. Next, you will want to click on the link for Neuse Regional Library. Next, you have to go up to eLibrary and go to NC Digital Library. Next, you go to the three dashes and click Sign In. From there, you put your student ID number in your library card, and your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your student ID. From there, you can look at recommended books by scrolling down. Or you can go up and search for specific books. Click on the book you want to see if it's available or not. If it is not available, then you can add it to your wish list. If a book is available, then you can borrow it. From there, you can choose how long you want to borrow it. You can borrow it for 7, 14, or 21 days. From there, you can read it in your browser or download it if it has unlimited copies. From there, you swipe right or left to switch between pages. When you're done reading a book, you can go to your loans by clicking the 3 dashes, My Account, and then go to Loans. From there, you can click Return on a book to return it to the library. Return title. That's how you check out your books. Thank you and have a wonderful day.